Have you ever needed to jump inside a running Docker container and poke around? Docker exec lets you run a command inside a container that is already running. The keyword is already. The container needs to be up and active before exec will work. It does not start a new container. It reaches into an existing one and executes your command right there inside that container's environment. This is what separates exec from Docker run. Docker run creates a brand new container from an image. Docker exec targets a container that is already alive. Think of run as launching a new instance and exec as reaching into one that is already live. The most common use is getting an interactive shell. You run docker exec with the -i and -t flags. That is interactive and TT, followed by the container name and a shell like /bin/bash. The -i flag keeps standard input open, and -t gives you a terminal prompt. Together they let you type commands directly inside the container, almost like SSHing in. This is incredibly useful for debugging. You can inspect files, check environment variables, tail logs, or run one-off commands without restarting anything. So to recap, Docker exec runs commands inside an already running container. Use -it for an interactive shell. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.